Okay, Holly, I'm going to do this in Photoshop CS5 for you. To batch resize things, you have to create an action to do that. So you want to use your action palette. If you don't have that up on your screen, the way to get to it is go up under this window and select actions. Once you have this panel up, you want to create a new action that will run the resize for you. So the first thing you have to do is create that new action. So click on this little icon that looks like a piece of paper with the bottom folded up over. Click on that. Call the action, we'll call this resize. Then hit record. Now you're going to do exactly what you want the action to do. So I'm going to go open, so we'll open up a file. I'll get something from the fair here. For example, this photograph. I'll open that up. And then if you go into image size, you'll actually see the resolution that it's at right now. If you're creating an image for the web, you want to change this resolution to 72 pixels per inch. That is a screen resolution of a computer. Make sure all these boxes are checked: scale styles, constrained proportions, resample image. And then decide what height and width in inches you want this. So let's say you want it 7 inches by approximately 4.5 inches there. Just type in 7 in that window and hit OK. Now it's going to resize that image to that size, and then all you have to do is File, Save As, tell the computer where you want to save it to, and typically I'll make a folder of resize and create that, save it, and you can see the size of the image has really gone down a lot. It's down to about 160K. Hit OK, and then the last thing you want to do is close it, and you can see our whole operation then was recorded right here. And the last thing you're going to do is hit this square button, which will close the batch. Now once you've created that batch, you can select a folder to apply that action to. To apply the action, go under File, Automate, Batch, and then you're going to see you want to select the action that you just created, which was resize, and then you're going to choose the folder where you're going to pick it from. So I pick that folder, and then you're going to pick the folder where you're going to send it to. I picked this resize that I created on my desktop, and then make sure all these boxes are checked, and then all you have to do is hit the OK button, and it automatically does it. Depending on how big the file is and how many photos are, depends on how long it's going to be. I'm going to hit cancel here just because I don't want to have it start doing this and run it through my computer. So that's it. Again, things are going to be a little bit different on your computer, but I think for the most part it should be pretty straightforward.